Hey everyone, Magna Gopal here, and today we are going to explore the art of eating grasshoppers. Yes, grasshoppers. Little bugs, which are in here. They look like grasshoppers, tiny little grasshoppers, fried in God knows what, some deliciousness. Anyways, I thought I was going to get a chance to eat bugs when I was in Africa 2 weeks ago, but I got a chance to do it here in New York. The restaurant I went to was a place called the Black Ant. And they serve grasshoppers, and they have black ant salt and whatnot. Anyways, I didn't finish all my food, so I brought the grasshoppers home, of course. Why not? So I could share the experience with you guys, of course. I made a little tortilla with... I already took a bite. I'm sorry, guys. I made a tortilla with some hummus and some grasshoppers cradled inside. And I'm going to take a little bite of that. Crunchy. Now, if you think that I masked the taste of the grasshoppers and I'm cheating by eating it with hummus and a tortilla shell, I shall prove to you that I'm a real warrior and that I would survive in the wild. Maybe not. Maybe I would survive in the wild as long as I had access to the internet and Google search. And Amazon, of course, with Prime, so I could get whatever supplies I needed. Anyways, this is my grasshopper, and yum, 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 yum. They are actually really delicious. Now, I'm usually scared of cockroaches, so I'm wondering if I'm going to look at them in a different light now and kind of think maybe they might be a possible good source of protein. Anyways, I'm usually pretty adventurous with food. If you guys are adventurous with food, I would definitely recommend trying some bugs. They're actually pretty delicious. See you guys next time.